Belts are not only practical, they're also fashionable. As we know, it is troublesome and time-consuming to replace traditional belt buckles. Would you rather spend time on changing the belt buckles or spend money to purchase different styles of belt to go with your outfits? Let me introduce you our new product, Quick Change Belt Buckle. Since they're ferromagnetic, it allows you to switch different styles of belt buckles effortlessly. They can be used as decorations and also for personal collections. That's why you're different. Now you have it, the Quick Change Belt Buckle.